How's everybody doing? I'm very excited because I wanted to share a recipe with you, which is 100% Majdi's recipe. Um, so I love playing around with food and experimenting with different recipes. वैसे भी मुझे थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, मैं कोई भी रेसिपी टू द पॉइंट फॉलो नहीं कर सकती. आई हैव टू लाइक ब्रिंग सम एलिमेंट of my own thinking or creativity into it. So recently मुझे थोड़ा craze चढ़ा हुआ है kale का. So today we're gonna have a delicious kale salad, which is so delicious. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it and you're gonna make it quite often. और मुझे ये kale का जोश कहाँ से चढ़ा? I am very new to eating kale. I would say, if I look back into my life and the things that we've been regularly eating and the things that are absolutely new, probably आज से 3-4 साल पहले तक मैंने कभी kale खाई नहीं थी. And I started eating kale when I went into let's say a fancy restaurant, और वहाँ पे एक fancy salad था और उसके अंदर kale थी, and I was like, oh, okay, it's there, let's just eat it. Or I ordered some very fancy dish, a steak or something, और उसके साथ salad के अंदर साथ sauteed हुआ हुआ या stir fry हुआ हुआ किसी form में kale था, and I ate it. I never went out into the market and actually purchased kale or tried to make a salad, or actually went out to get a salad which has kale in it. But recently, it's about 2-3 weeks ago, that I went to Spinneys, and I love their salads, and I love their potato salad and their couscous salad. So I go there and there's this salad which looks really pretty. It's green and it has walnuts on top of it and a bit of Parmesan cheese, and I'm like, what is this? And the guy said it's one of our best selling salads. It's kale salad with walnuts and Parmesan. And I was like, okay, let's try it. I ate it and I fell in love with it. Like, I wanted to eat it again. And yes, last weekend I got that salad again with some potato salad. I mixed it up and मैं छोटे छोटे डब्बे उनके लेके आती हूँ, and I wanted to finish it all. Like, I didn't want to share it with anybody. But I was thinking, if I could make this salad at home, I don't have to drive to Spinneys every single time to go get that salad. So I decided, let's give it a try. And I knew that kale works best with walnuts, and I had some candied walnuts right here. If you remember, a couple of weeks ago I made these candied simple walnuts, and I turned them into candy by cooking them in either brown sugar. मैंने ये शक्कर में बनाए हैं. So these walnuts are cooked in shakar and a little bit of water. So I had these candied walnuts. I was like, oh, candied walnuts and kale, and I can put some fruits in there and it's gonna be delicious. So I came up with this recipe, and it's super easy. You'll see, like, it'll take you less than 5 minutes if you have all the ingredients, and they're not the kind of ingredients जो आपको कहीं से जाके लेके आने पड़ते हैं, other than the kale. By the way, ये kale मैं 7 dirham की लेके आई थी from Union Corp. And this is called the curly green kale, and it's widely available. This is organic, I guess. I think, yeah, it was organic, and I'm so happy because it's just amazing. Like, look, and I'm gonna tell you what happens with it. So kale के साथ ये है कि this, eating raw in this form, it's very difficult to chew and digest, and it tastes bitter as well. So what you basically have to do with kale is that you have to massage it, and I'll show you how you massage it. You massage it by mixing a little bit of lemon and olive oil, and I add my stuff in it, which is honey, because I like it a little bit sweet and tangy. So lemon and honey goes well. So here you go. I don't know if you can see, but it's somewhat this kind of consistency. It's just 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon, and then you put 1 teaspoon. I only put 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it up. You pour it right in there. Okay. और ये जो मेरी उंगली कटी हुई है, ये अभी एक चीज़ काटते हुए कट गई थी, and I'm very clumsy that way, so that's why I didn't want to do any cooking now. It's taped and it's sterilized and everything, so people who are offended by it, I'm sorry. Now we're gonna start massaging the kale. So basically, what you're gonna do is कि जो आपका olive oil or lemon or honey का paste था, just keep rubbing it between your fingers like this, and you just have to make sure कि जो kale के सारे पत्ते हैं, all these leaves are fully coated in this oil and lemon. By the way, मैंने थोड़ा सा इसमें नमक भी डाला था, like about a pinch of salt. So here you go. See, basically this is how you massage it. Like, literally hold it in your hands and because I had to work with lemon and नए ताज़े ताज़े ज़ख़म के ऊपर अगर मैं lemon लगा दूँ तो फिर मेरी चीखें ही निकलेंगी यहाँ पे. Okay, so you see, basically they say it's best to massage kale for at least 3 minutes. Because मैंने kale धो के रखी हुई थी, उसको already पानी लगा हुआ था तो वो soft already हुई हुई थी. I don't really have to do it for 3 minutes. Also, if you have to eat it, because मैं ये शायद आज रात में ना ही खाऊं, मैं ये कल दोपहर खाऊं, and it goes that long, you can easily have it the next day. तो तब तक ये और soft हो जाएगी, and I don't have to worry about it. Now, another thing I want you to know is when you massage the kale, उसका जो पहला volume था, it shrinks. It massively shrinks. So if you look now, how much has it shrinked, right? And it has become like this bright green color, and it has shrunk, and it's like, you know, more soft and more easy to digest at this stage. Because होता ये कि आपको इसके cell walls को break करना होता थोड़ा बहुत, and because we don't cook it like other greens, we might cook it. And it's not the similar case with spinach and rocket leaves or any other arugula and stuff, because they're not as hard to digest as this one. So it's better कि आप इसको massage कर लें अच्छा सा, जैसा मैंने ये भी कर लिया है. And it's really soft now. I can already feel it. Color एकदम shiny सा हो गया है. And now you just have to toss the other ingredients. It's as simple as that. What I like to toss in it is chickpeas. So there you go. Again, you can have it from the can. There they go. My favorite, the candied. Here you go. These are the candied walnuts. They add the sweet crunch in there. The one ingredient that goes best with kale salad is this. The red jewels, the pomegranate seeds. They go in there. And then I add a little bit of chopped grapes, because I think although pomegranate gives the sweetness, this gives a little soft and a juicy taste to it. So there goes that. Just a little bit of, not too much, because my hands are already messy. I'm just gonna mix them up together, and you're gonna see it comes out so beautiful. So beautiful, you have no idea. And it's not just that it looks beautiful, it tastes amazing. Couple of key facts about kale. Kale is considered as one of the most nutrient dense plants in the world, in this planet. It's one of the best greens that you can incorporate in your diet. And मुझे काफ़ी साल लगे to realize how good it is. But now that I have finally found it, I'm probably going to be eating it much more than any other things. It has vitamin C, it has vitamin A and K. It has actually it is one of the best sources of vitamin K. Kale. I think 1 cup of raw kale has about 7 times your daily recommended need. So that's how amazing it is. It has vitamin B1, B6, B12, no, not B12. Yeah, B1, B3, and B6. And it has calcium, magnesium, manganese, potassium. So you have all of these amazing vitamins and, you know, micronutrients going into you. Not just that. Another big thing with this is kale is known to reduce your cholesterol levels. It reduces your risks of heart diseases. It is amazing when it comes to antioxidants, because it is such a rich source of vitamin C and all the other multivitamins that, of course, you know, it is a great source of, it's a great antioxidant food. Not just that, it also helps you in losing weight, because 1 cup kale is like about 66 calories or something. Just may say, I think 6 grams is about carbs. Usme bhi 2 grams is fiber. So it's just amazing. It's amazing for weight loss as well. So if you want to incorporate a healthy food, which also helps you lose weight, this is your go-to. And now you can see my salad is ready. It's so beautiful. It's colorful. You'll see the picture in the beginning as well. And it tastes amazing. And Aswa's gonna be so happy because he loved it, and I've just made fresh batch. So this was it. And I hope you like the recipe. And if you want to see more of these healthy recipes, like in this video format, do let me know. Do leave a comment. Again, do leave a little heart out there or a cute little message, please. and I'll make more videos for you guys. Yeah. See ya. Bye bye.